I don't know how I got here. I kind of fell into it. I don't even like cupcakes. What am I doing? They're boring, they're dry. It's always too much cake. Well, it's either too much cake or too much frosting. Like, why are we doing all that? Why are we having so much frosting? And the frosting is too sweet. And the cupcake is too dry. What are we doing all this for? And milk performative. Polite cupcake? Are you kidding? Now we have to find a new cupcake recipe that I would like to eat. And that's how you know people are gonna like it. It's a hard thing to accomplish. But I feel like Frodo from the Lord of the Rings. Like, I wasn't chosen. It was bestowed upon me, this responsibility. Hey. Okay, my game plan is to hit up Trader Joe's and then go to like Safeway or something, like a regular grocery store for the rest of the ingredients. But I have to be back by 12. It's 9 right now because my sister has to take the car for work. Added challenge. It's giving chopped. I have to make 30 cupcakes by tomorrow afternoon. I have to test out a new recipe, but also a new flavor combination. Like I have to invent a new flavor combination, mango coconut, in my head. Like, there's no recipe to base this off of. It's straight from the dome. So yes, it is giving chopped. Yes, this is how you start a business, right? Like, not having any prior experience, just jumping straight into it. Startup business in the heart of Silicon Valley. Wait, driving around my community is so humbling. Where are all these fine-ass men in the cars coming from? Hey, like, at a certain point we need to stop. I need to stop. I need to be locked up. What the freak? I miss my Walmart prices. Get me out of here. I don't like it. Okay, so $18 and I calculated last night and about like $60 for now. Just charge more. Like, why is gluten-free flour so fucking expensive, bro? Oh, a bag of flour is $22. What in the audacity? Like, kill me at that point. Like, sorry, celiac diseased. Is it worth it at a certain point? I do it for the love of the game. Time to lock it. And it tastes like the real thing, and it's spongy and moist, like almost tastes like rice flour. Oh my god, I haven't sat down in 3 hours? 3 hours. Okay, so I'm waiting for the cupcakes to cool, and then I'm about to start on the frosting. The thing with frosting, it's always too freaking sweet. And there's this YouTube channel called Sugarology. She focuses on just gets into the science behind all the recipes she makes. And she like cracked the code on American buttercream, just like butter and sugar mixed together, and it's always too sweet and like kind of grainy. But she made a version that's not too sweet. Powdered sugar is essential for kind of the structure and end product of American buttercream. So if you just like say, oh, I want it less sweet, just take some of the powdered sugar away, the texture will change. So she's found a way to preserve that texture but lessen the sweetness, and it uses this. This is like a sugar syrup, which I luckily have in stock. I have light corn syrup. I don't know exactly why, but I'm guessing another 2 hours, 5 hours total. 5 hours of doing what I love. Also making that bank too, like let's not forget. So it turns out I won't be doing any of that because the power just went out. Maybe it just gives me more rest time. My actual lord. I think it's like 4:40 right now. No, wait, there's no, yeah, it's 4. It's 4. I haven't sat down like another 2 hours. So yeah, 5 hours in total. Is this what it's like to be a baker? You just stand all day and your knees hurt and they're about to give out, and you're hungry but you're full because you've also been eating what you've been what you've been working on, but you at the same time haven't eaten the whole day either, like a real meal. Wait, I'm loving the rest of my life. I'm loving how this is all gonna pan out. But I think I'd rather do this than literally anything else in the world. Like, just watch the amount of H3 videos I've gone through, and those are like 3.5 hours each. I'm glad how much this has taken up my day though, because I always feel that internal sense of dread, like I have no purpose, what am I doing? Just sitting around. This is it. I think this is it. And I'm happy about it. Industrial processing line.
It's a sweatshop.
Is it considered hard?
It's just from the fridge.
Yeah.
So,
That's
so
why
we shouldn't eat now.
But thank you for watching me, the first vlog ever of Daddy's Home Bakery. Is it bad that my limbs are going numb and my vision is kind of blurring and kind of spotty? Maybe. I'm so tired, I could pass out. Ow. Ugh. Ding doink.